All right, you guys, here she is. This is the Sunrise baby blanket. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so let's just jump right into this. This is super easy, you guys. As you can see, it is a baby blanket. I don't know how big it is going to get on the actual camera, but yes, so pretty. Okay, so what you see is granny squares. I have 16 granny squares and 4 rows of the granny squares. Okay, and if you don't know how to make a granny square, I will link in the description box to show you how to make one. I have one on my channel. So I would put that down in the description box for you. And so as you can see, I just joined 4 granny squares together, and then I went up, upward, joining the 4. Now the ridge right here that you see is, I have a small, as you guys can see over here on the side. This is my small version here. But this right here, I wanted to show you guys, this is how I joined them. And in the granny squirrel, in the granny squares, you can join them in any way. I just, join mine this way, and that's the back right there. Let's put that to the side. And so, and to bring this back over here, guys, this is right sides together. So I put right sides together, and then I just stitched right here and opened it up, and it came out like that. And that's the way I want it. It's nice and flat, so that's the way I wanted that. Then I have another example of you guys of the ridge right here, which I did on purpose. So this right here is the same, the granny squares, but we took the 4 going up, and it is wrong side to wrong side. Okay, now I have a tip for you guys. If you do this with a darning needle, you will not get this, because this is a single crochet with this. Okay, so if you use a darning needle, it's going to look flat like this. It won't give you this ridge part right here. So this is what we're looking for, which we have right here. And so it's wrong sides together. I'm sorry, wrong sides together. And if you don't know what a right side and a wrong side of a granny square, the best way to know how, when you're looking at them, look at the ridge. See, on the right side, there's like, you can see the actual stitches right here. On the back side, you cannot. See, you can't see the stitches. So that's how you can tell. The front, you can see the stitches. On the back, you can't. And then there's other ways, but that's the most easiest way to see if you have the front and the back of a granny square. Okay, so now we have these cute crosses, guys. So I wanted to make it look like not Texas theme, but I wanted to put some some decorative something in here, because this is for a little boy. So I wanted to add a little bit more color to it. And so right here, what I did is I just took bulky weight yarn and I just made crosses. And as you can see, this is all it is. I don't know if you guys ever seen like a tie quilt. Back in the day, they used to just put squares together and tie them with yarn. And so I wanted to do a decorative something on the front of here, but I didn't want to do a whole lot. I really wanted to just be simple and easy, just in case you need something real fast, real quick for a baby gift. This is it right here. And so I tied them together. The yarn is super soft. It's not going to harm the baby at all. And it's just a great idea. And as you can see, there they are. And I have them going all the way down. And so now what we have, you guys, the back. So this is basically 2 panels. So the back of it is this right here. Isn't that nice? Now this is an extended single crochet. And I am just loving this. Everybody is doing this stitch right now. One of the things that I like about the stitch is because we still get our single crochet, but it's just extended, so it goes like a little bit faster. Okay. And I did a swatch for you guys. So this is it right here, the extended crochet. You know what, let me do it for you. Okay. Just in case you don't know how to do it, I'll do it for you. Hold on 1 second. Let me get my stuff. There's my hook. And I'll just use, because it's all the way across the room there. So I'll just use this right here. Okay, so it's just like a single crochet. And okay, so I'm going to make a slip knot. And this is the thing that I love about this. It's because it's just like a single crochet, but instead of taking it all the way through, so let me go. Let me do some chains here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so say we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, so I'm going to turn my work, and you guys know I am left-handed and I am a lefty true and true. And you know, I really want to tap on a little bit about that, is because remember, you guys, in any time you're watching a crochet video and one of the persons are a left-handed or a right-handed person, just remember that the technique never changes. The technique is always the same. All right, because I've been in crochet forums, and people are saying, oh, I need a left-handed video, or I'm left-handed, and you know, well, you never hear a right-handed person saying they need a right-handed video, because there's more of those than more left. But just pay attention to the technique and you will be absolutely fine. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so we're going to, just like we're going to do a single crochet, we're going to stick our hook through the chain, bring up a loop. Now here we're usually taking this, yarning over, and we're taking it all the way through, but we're going to yarn over and you're going to take it through the first loop. There we go. So you take it through the first loop, and then you yarn over again, and then you take it all the way through, and that is your extended crochet. Okay, that is it right there. And I hope you get it. If you didn't, let me know and I'll do a whole tutorial on it. if you didn't get it. So this is what we have on the back, you guys. Now when you have your 2 panels together, I'm going to turn back over. So when you finish making your 2 panels, on your first panel you're going to do your grannies, and then you're going to do your crosses. Now you want to put your 2 panels together. Now this one is 19 by 19, and I made it this big because I wanted the baby to grow into it, starting from an infant, and it probably can go all the way to like maybe 3 months. But yeah, so this is what I made it, you know, this size, and you can make yours smaller or what have you. But right here, when you put them together, you're going to start here and you're going to just go all the way around, and you're going to put right sides together. Okay, and then you're going to seam it, and then you're going to turn it inside out. Okay, and so when you do that, after you do that, you come up here, you're going to be on your last 1, and you're gonna just slip stitch into your first chain where you started at. Okay, and so now talking about the front part, the top part up here, all I did was a single crochet all the way around. After I finished joining them together, I did a single crochet all the way around, and then once I came back to my first chain, I slip stitched and I chained 2. Okay, so once I chained 2 in one, then I just skipped the next one, and I did a double crochet in the next, and then I skipped the next, and I did that all the way around. A double crochet, skip the next chain, double crochet, and I did that all the way around until I came back, and it gave me this channel, or I'm gonna call it a channel, to put my drawstring in. Okay, and so once I finished that, I just slip stitched and I fastened off. Okay, so then what I did is I took the same bulky yarn and I made the drawstrings, and you can see that there's 2 strands in here, and I just weaved one all the way around, put it down, then I cut some more yarn and I weaved it in all the way around again, and it gave me 2 strands. And so what I did was I just twisted the strands together and tied them off to give me this rope like drawstring. Okay, and how beautiful is that? And then when I tied it off, I just did like a little tie, and then I just took a little brush and I just made the yarn, you know, come unraveled right here, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It looks like little tassels right there. And so yeah guys, that is it. When I said that it was going to be super easy, it is super easy. And so yeah, I hope that you guys do make it. And I know this is not like the typical blanket that you see, but because it's like this, but it's, to me, it takes the work out of wrapping the baby up. All you have to do is stick the baby in here, pull the drawstring, and you are on your way. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you guys on the next one.